Warehousing is complex, but your WMS shouldn't be. Twin Oaks WMS is warehouse management software built by industry pros for industry pros. Led by a team with decades of hands-on warehousing experience, we're a product-first company focused on building a system that works in the real world. Our WMS is built on modern technology and integrates with virtually anything, from ERPs and e-commerce platforms to automation and shipping systems. Every feature is included in the base code and available from day one. No costly add-on modules required. From small and mid-sized warehouses to large-scale operations, Twin Oaks WMS helps teams hit fulfillment goals, streamline operations, and scale with confidence. And because all development, implementation, and support are handled in-house, you're always working with experts who know the system and your operation inside and out. This is warehousing of the future, now. Meet us at MODEX, Booth B14219, or visit twinoakswms.com.